Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make watermelon curry. First, choose a firm, ripe watermelon, as its sweetness and texture are key. Carefully remove the green rind and white pith, then cut the red flesh into 1-inch cubes. Next, prepare your aromatic spices like turmeric and cumin, along with fresh vegetables such as bell peppers and onions. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and a delicious final dish. Now, let's build the rich flavor of our curry. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions and minced garlic in a pan until they are fragrant and translucent. Then, incorporate fresh ginger, a generous amount of curry powder, and other dry spices like coriander and turmeric. Stir these aromatics for about 1 minute to release their full potential. Finally, pour in creamy coconut milk and a splash of vegetable broth to create a luscious, flavorful base. With our flavorful base ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Gently add the 1-inch watermelon cubes to the simmering curry sauce. Be careful not to overstir, as watermelon can be delicate. Allow it to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the watermelon is tender but still retains its shape. Finish by adjusting the seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a bright squeeze of fresh lime juice for a perfect balance. Your delicious watermelon curry is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot alongside fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread for a complete meal. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh, chopped cilantro and a light sprinkle of chili flakes if you like a little heat. This unique dish is surprisingly versatile and incredibly satisfying. Also, for easy meal prep and other great deals, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.